Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15-20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to do that by walking through just general levels and then taking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big question and the first question that you need to start off with, so let's just say you're watching this video 15 hours after I upload it. Question number one just becomes, where's the price at relative to 12,000? If you've watched any of my past videos, then this is a level I've talked about time and time again, and rightfully so. It's a very important technical level, and you can see that several moments throughout the course of the weekend, the price was battling with that level, and yeah, the price temporarily on a couple of occasions slightly got up above 12,000, but can never quite maintain above it. The good news is, as of the recording of this video, the price is still within striking distance. So I'm definitely jealous of those of you that are, get to watch this 15-20 hours from now, because you're gonna have a much better idea what actually happened. Did the price break up, up above there, or what has played out? So again, going back to the first question, nothing fancy, just where's the price relative to 12,000? If you're answering the question that the price is above 12,000, well, then at that point, just like gut instincts, common sense take over, meaning the further up the price is above 12,000, the more bullish, the breakout has become, the more powerful the general chart has become. So from that angle, nothing fancy or complicated at all. Perhaps you're saying, well, Clay, the price is still down below 12,000. At that point, next question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 11,400? And as long as you're answering the question that the price is still above there, then overall, that's still perfectly fine consolidation. I mean, that would just imply, even if the price were all the way down here, for example, and, hovering around this area, that would still imply that, big picture wise, you still have the chart, bouncing around and up in this area of the chart, which is good. Sure, it'd be much more exciting if the price is up above 12,000, but if the price does pull back a little bit, as long as it's above 11,400, I would still consider that a perfectly healthy consolidation. So that'll be, the one level of support. Now, if somehow you're answering the question that the price is down below 11,400, next question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 10,800? And if somehow you're answering the question that the price is down below there, which I'd be shocked if that was the case, then that would imply that something's not quite right anymore, that the bears have shown up in a very big way. But like I said, I'd be shocked if you were answering the question that the price is down below 10,800. But as of right now, that breakout through 12,000 seems very possible, not guaranteed, but the price is just sitting slightly below it. So we'll see if the price can get the break of it or not. But yeah, it'll be looking like it's going to be an interesting next 24 hours. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.